Hi and welcome back to this another book summary video. I'm Kinjal Parekh and today we are going to cover One Up on the Wall Street by Peter Lynch, who is a renowned American investor, mutual fund manager and a philanthropist. This book is a classic guide to investing in the stock market, written for both beginners as well as seasoned investors. The book starts with the author's early days as a stockbroker. He then goes on to discuss his investment philosophies, which he calls investing in what you know. The author believes that the best investments are often the ones that you are most familiar with, such as products that you use, the stores you shop at, or the services you utilize. The author stresses the importance of doing your own research and not relying solely on advices of financial experts. He advocates for investors to use their own intuitions and common sense. The book covers a range of investing strategies, including how to identify undervalued companies, how to spot emerging trends and industries, and how to manage risk. He also emphasizes the importance of having a long-term investment outlook rather than trying to time the market or make short-term gains. Overall, it is a must-read book for anyone interested in investing and stock market. Peter Lynch's straightforward advice and investment philosophies make this book a timeless classic. By investing in what you know, doing your own research, and having a long-term outlook, Peter believes that anyone can achieve success in the stock market. Now tell us in the comment section below, what do you think about this investment strategy? Also tell us which book do you want us to cover next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends and families. Thank you and stay tuned.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.